ఈ నెల 24-25 తేదీలలో వనపర్తి జిల్లా కేంద్రంలోని చాణక్య ఉన్నత పాఠశాలలో విద్యార్థులు ఆర్ట్స్ అండ్ సైన్స్ మేళా నిర్వహించి పలువురుచే శభాష్ అనిపించుకున్నారు. పాఠశాలకు చెందిన 1390 మంది విద్యార్థులు 252 ప్రదర్శనలు నిర్వహించారు. నర్సరీ, ఎల్కేజీ, 1వ తరగతి, 3, 5, 7, 10వ తరగతులకు చెందిన చిన్నారులు వివిధ అంశాలతో కూడిన ప్రయోగ ప్రదర్శనలు చేశారు. జిల్లా విద్యాధికారి నరహరి, ఇంటర్ బోర్డు జిల్లా అధికారి జాకీర్ హుసేన్, పాఠశాల ప్రధాన ఉపాధ్యాయుడు సాజుపాల్, విద్యార్థుల తల్లిదండ్రులు, ఉపాధ్యాయులు, విద్యార్థులు పాల్గొని ప్రదర్శనలు తిలకించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా ప్రతిభా పాఠవాలు చూపిన పిల్లలను విద్యాశాఖ అధికారులు అభినందించారు.
Good morning and welcome to Chanakya High School Art and Science Mela Day 2. Today also we have so many students participating like nursery, LKG, class 1, 3, 5, 7 and 10th class students are performing today. We are very happy that they are able to perform so very well. And the most important thing that we notice here is the collective cooperation among the parents, teachers and the students. For the last couple of weeks, all these teachers and students and parents, they have been really working heartfully. Today we can see 125 items. More than 700 students are participating today. And this type of art and science mela really able to develop scientific temper, the dawn of reasoning and a progressive mindset among the children. And all the items have been very much conceived by the students and helped by the teachers and parents as well. And it has created a good impact not only in the school areas throughout the town, because since yesterday we can see so many parents and people are coming here, and the students also are feeling very happy see the response from all these people. And I wish all the children for their future, because this experience really would do their confidence a world of good. Thank you very much.
Good morning, sir. Our topic is about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a simulation of human mind into a computer machine so that it can act as a human. It can do whatever the things that the human can do. So there are many advantages of using AI in our daily life. Some of the examples are Google Assistant, Hey Siri, Alexa are some of the examples of AI. So there are many disadvantages of AI as we can see here. The disadvantages of AI of AI are it can destroy the humans. As in the interview it said about it can destroy the humans. It will be increased. There are many advantages of AI. There will be no accidents. We can explore the space. We can know where the mining centers are. The intelligence of AI is more than the intelligence of the human. It can do many things that the humans cannot do.
Our topic is about eco-friendly house versus city polluted life. So in villagers wake up at early and they will go to fields and they will enjoy their life how they want. But in city not like that. We are facing so many accidents, and also we have in city we are wake up at office time and we are going to lunch again, coming back to home, eating junk food and sleeping there. But so for that we made this. And if we want to live like a village surroundings, we have to stop using polluted vehicles and we have to use CNG vehicles or electric vehicles. Thank you.
Project is Save Water for Animals. Aim is purifying the rainwater in forest. Procedure: build check dams wherever needed, and store water, and water will purify by sand and coal. This purified water will be stored in tanks. Then the animals will drink pure and neat water. Profits is animals will survive in forest, and biodiversity will be developed. So we can store more and more water. Thank you.
I am Banu from 7th class E section. I am Nikhil Sagar from 7th class E section. I am B Dhanushkar from 7th class E section. My name is Envid Kant. I am studying in 7th class E section.
My name is Jiyashwant. I am from 7th class E section.
My name is Nikhil Kumar. I am from 7th class E section. Our project name is Wind Energy. Wind Energy. When the air flows to the windmill, it converts the wind energy into electricity. Then the electricity stores in a main substation, and it sends first to the street lights and then to the
homes. Wind energy is a wind power technology. A Greek man, Ctesibius, invented this windmill for the first time.
Of the fan, this is the main parts of the fan is hubs, blades, switch systems, nuts, converter, generator, gearbox, gas system. This is the main parts of the windmill.
The turbine blades spin capturing energy. This energy is then sent to through a gearbox to generator which converts it into electricity for the grid with a special device called an inverter.
Windmill is a structure that converts wind energy into electrical energy by the help of the vanes called blades. By the tradition specifically to mill grade.
Windmill have been centuries of for pumping water and graining grains. Wind energy is eco-friendly and no air or water pollution. Disadvantages of the windmill is it is not a continual energy source. It produces noise pollution. Birds have been killed by flying into rational turbine blades. Thank you.
My name is Sheikh Noman Ahmad. I am from 7th class A section. It is water pollution. In the world, so many pollutions is there, like air pollution, sound pollution. It is also one type of pollution, water pollution. In the world, so many people was wasting so much water. Please don't waste water. If you waste today water, tomorrow it will not give. If you save water today, tomorrow it will use. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Yasin Andan. I am from 7th class A section. Now I am going to say about water pollution. Water pollution is a more. There are so many pollutions like air pollution, sound pollution. Like that, one pollution is there like water pollution. Water pollution. There are so many members are wasting water. That's why animals and humans will drink. Harmful for animals. That's why don't waste water.
Good morning, everyone.
Our
Project is water purifier. Collect waste water like rainwater and hospital water and hotels, etc. When we pour the waste water to the mud cup, then it come to the gravel cup, then it come to the sand water.
And it will send to sponge.
Then the
Then we can see here.
the purified water is coming here.
After that, we can see here pure water.
Purified water is coming here. Our topic name is crane. This crane lift the heavy loads. This crane is useful to when we construct buildings and roads. This crane prepared by two syringe, and this is worked with hydraulic extra pressure. This is move front and back, and this is can be go up and down.
Morning, my name is Sujana. My name is Pallavi.
My name is Vinruti.
We are from 7th class A section. Today's our project is about stages of water purification. There are 4 stages of water purification. First, we have to need some stones like small stones and big stones and sand and cotton. First, we have to take the dirty water which are include chemicals and dust particles and gases and solids. First, we have to pour in the first stage, and it will connect to the second stage, and with the cotton it will absorb all the small dust particles and it is convert to the filter water.
Things like cooking utensils, cleaning utensils. There are also some animal suspension. It is produce water filter for some suspendants. Some consumptions are few or items, objects, human beings and also animals can use that. And water purification is the easiest, can reduce the of particular matter for including submerged water. Wonderful morning, everyone. This is Akshara from 10th class D section. So today we are going to perform blood test. Why do we need blood test? We need to know blood test and we need to know our blood group. Why? Because if any sudden incidents happen, like any accident or something happen, we need to know our blood group, so that we can donate or receive blood group from others. What is the universal blood group? That is O positive. O positive people can give everyone blood, and universal receivers are AB positive. AB positive members can receive blood from any others. If any sudden accident happens, we should be ready to donate the blood or to receive the blood. So we need to know our blood group. By the mixing of antigens, we know the blood group, and by the clumps, we know the blood group, what is it, and it is A positive, A negative, or O positive, O negative, AB positive, AB negative, A positive, A negative. So in this way, we confirm the blood group.
Science exhibition of Chanaka High School. My name is B. Karthikeya. We are from Taha class A section. My name is B. Karthikeya. My friend name is Deshwant. We are from Taha class A section. Our project is making a hand fan using plastic bottle. In this experiment, we used plastic bottle sticks and thread. Firstly, we created a fan using the sticks. Then we kept it in a bottle. Now tie the thread to the stick. Attach a holder to the thread or hard furniture. Now pull the thread. The fan rotates. This experiment can be made at home. This for fun children can enjoy. We did not use any electricity here. Instead of throwing a bottle outside, correct something like name is Satvik. We are from 50. Welcome to our Arts and Science Mela. My topic is about chess. What is the use of chess? If children play chess, chess is a powerful tool for enhancing children's logical thinking skills and anticipate opponents' move. Can you arrange these 8 queens without attacking each other? Good morning, sir. Welcome to our Art and Science Mela. My name is Poojan. We are from 5th class C section. Now I am going to explain about different types of soils. This is black soil, sandy soil, red soil, alluvial soil, white soil, laterite soil. Now I am going to explain about black soil. This soil is very fertile and useful for cultivation and various types of crops. There are many for the capacity to hold moisture. Black soil are found in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and some part of Tamil Nadu. Black soil is suitable for black soil is suitable for growing cotton and other crops which can be grown in black soil are sugarcane, wheat, jowar, barley, sunflower, etc. Red soil. Now I am going to explain about red soil. Red soil get crops suitable for red and yellow soil. Maize, orange, pineapple, mango, etc. Vegetables, potato and pulses. Generally, the soil found in Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Western Ghats. This is laterite soil. Laterite soil is useful for growing coffee, rubber, coconut, wheat, cotton, cashew. The features of the laterite soils are their unique color, poor fertility, and they are simple to cultivate. This is sandy soil. This soil also not fertile to grow crops. In this soil, we can grow more trees, and this soil can find near river flowing areas. The main crops are carrot, beetroot, cucumber, muskmelon, watermelon, radish. Explaining about white soil, it is not fertile soil. We cannot grow crops in this soil. We can use this soil on the top of the mud houses. Thank you. The class B section. Now I am explaining about Chandrayaan 3. The Chandrayaan 3 is crash landing on the moon. The Chandrayaan 3 cannot properly land. Thank you. Myself Siddhartha Chari from 5th class B section. Welcome to our Science Mela. Now I am going to tell about Chandrayaan 3 and Vikram lander. Welcome to our science exhibition. Myself D. Malgina. I am from 5th class A section. My project work name is groundwater purification working model. In nature, water is filtered through layer of rocks and soil, other natural material like leaves. Unlike surface water collected in the rivers and lakes, groundwater is often to clean and ready to drink. I am Sagrana, studying 5th class C section. Welcome to our science and art mela. This is rain detector. Rain coming, alarm coming. It's like rain detector is a device which detects in rainfall. Advanced use of rain detector. When the rainfall takes place, water should be collected in the rain harvest pit.
We are from 5th year. Our topic is water cycle and water fountain. In this, I am going to explaining about condensation. Through condensation, the water comes back to earth in many forms. Some also rain, snow, fog, dew drops. We are interested to present an automatic water fountain which is so elegant. You can also implement this in your house as for decoration purpose, which looks so elegant. Depend upon latitude, plague water vapor are directly changed into ice is called as snow. Our topic is save the earth from different types of pollution.
facing so many pollutions. Here we can see air and water pollutions. By vehicles and factories, so much of air pollution is causing. At present, Delhi is also facing this trees and air pollution. Here we can see trees and air pollution. Is global warming. Global warming is a dangerous effect on our environment that we are facing on these days. Increase in population growth and global warming refer to increase in emission of greenhouse gases and resulting in melting glaciers. Solution for global warming. Skin irritation, master skin antibacterial preventive wrinkles. Tulasi is now medicinal plant. Effective remedy in cold cough, diabetic indigestion, good for hair loss and cancer. Mint, this is fresh fragrant medicinal plant. Keeps the digestive system running, boost immunity. Mint leaves are also known as pudina. Kidney stones, diabetic control, stomach pain. Lowered cholesterol, improve heart health, indigestion is headache. Thank you. These systems of orchidics helps in healthing of fun, purifying blood, skin treatment. We are from 5th A. Our topic is earth rotation and revolution. Can you explain about this? Yes. Day and night are caused due to the earth's rotation. Right, half of the earth is in daytime and remaining half is night. It takes 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4.9 seconds to complete this rotation. Thank you. Rotation is the movement of the earth is called axis. The movement of the earth surrounding the sun is called revolution. Carry on. The 6 hours 9 minutes add up to an extra day. Every 4th year is called as leap year. As we know as February 29. Thank you for visiting Chanakya Art and Science Mela.
This all handicrafts and this is all wall hangings. With the waste material we did this crafts and of plastic bottle we did this baskets and these two are baskets.
Electric power and hydropower means water power. Here we pour some water in a tray and here water pump will pump the water and send here. Here the fan will produce some electricity and it will transfers into street lights and
Good and happy morning to everyone. This is Sid Chandra. We are from 7th class C section. Our topic is about hydroelectricity.
So in India, in the dams, same process will continue there. So it is difficult there. We did the easy process. Thank you.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you. Good and happy morning. Good and happy morning. My name is Sarita. Today my craft is diamond art. I made this craft by sticking the stones together. It took me 1 year to do this. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Shinika. My name is Grishma. My name is Viananya. My name is Hansika. Good morning, madams and sirs. Nowadays we are using magnets to produce electric energy. But we are here to explain how magnet affects on electrical energy. If the magnet nearer to the electrical energy, the electrons pulls and pushes the which present in the coil of the electrical energy. When we attach the magnet in the for the electricity, it stops the flow of the electricity. So then the conclusion is magnet is more power than the electricity. Thank you. 7th class E section. We are doing craft, handcraft. We did the craft.
Myself Badrinath. We are from 10th A. This is an atomic bomb explosion model. This was introduced. The atomic bomb was introduced by Robert J. Oppenheimer in the year of 1942 in November 25th. This is the process of war, and this was used in Second World War time. The US Army was regretted to use this atomic bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the Japanese cities. So after the exploitation of this bomb, there is no.
This is a project we did in 8 numbers. The specs for blind people. When the blind person when the blind person it will give the sensor and give the sound, which decreases the accident and safely work on the road. This is hydroponic farming.
Absence of soil.
The absence of soil, we can grow instead of absence of soil,
Can grow plants
we can grow the plants by cocoa pint,
and nutrition.
and by adding nutrition in the water, it can be recycled by in the pipes. Weekly 2 times we have to change the water.
Hydroelectric dam means conversion of electric water energy into electric energy. The water which is stored in the dam in the form of potential energy will converts into kinetic energy. When it falls on the turbine, it starts rotating. It goes to the generator and supplies the whole energy. Thank you for visiting here.
Where there is a lack of electricity, we can use this project and we can produce the electricity and it helps to blow the street lights in the highways. Sir, if we produce for 6 hours, it produces 1 kilowatt of energy. We can use it for the daily consumption by house per day. This is the presentation of this.
He's created a vertical turbine that turns.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our project. Our project is the journey to the new life on the Mars. Is there the possibility of the living on the Mars? There are such advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are we can invest in the Mars. There are the lot amount of iron, so that we can research many more things about the Mars. This is ISS. ISS means nothing but International Space Station. This is our blue planet Earth, and it is Mars, and it is nothing but Earth. And disadvantages of Mars, if we live on it, we have to invest lot of money, and Mars has a harsh land. It can't sustainable for the human beings, and Mars doesn't have ozone layer. If we created the ozone layer, it would be the first ozone layer created by the humans, and guarantee we can say that it can be not work for the many days. This is how about this topic. Now we are talking about the project Vikram lander and Pragyan rover. Actually, Vikram lander and Pragyan rover are both sent by ISRO to the south pole of the moon, and this project will be completely organized and funded by the Indian government. And Vikram lander is fully functional, which is carrying out some in situ experiments on the moon surface. Both Pragyan and Vikram work together for 14 days and try to get samples of the moon and some test which confirms the temperature and the number of elements present in the moon surface and many more.
Sir, this is a hybrid technology. So this is a hybrid technology in the short form. The car which run on the petrol and the electric. Basically, when you start the car will run on the electricity up to the 40 km/h. After crossing the limit of the speed, it will burn the fuel. When you turn on the AC, the car will run on the AC, and when you driving the highway, when the car will stop not properly, so that car will shifting immediately into the battery, and you can go to the fuel station in emergency situations.
Topic is all about Ramayanam. We can learn a lot from Ramayanam. Ramayanam tells us a lot of things. Coming to Rama, రాముడు తన తండ్రి మాట నిలబెట్టడానికి 14 సంవత్సరాలు వనవాసం చేశాడు. తన తండ్రి పట్ల ఉన్న గౌరవాన్ని తెలియజేశాడు. సీత ప్రతి క్షణం రాముడికి తోడుగానే ఉంది. కష్టమైనా సరే సుఖమైనా సరే తన భర్త రాముడితోనే ఉండాలి అనుకుంది. అలాగే లక్ష్మణుడు ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అన్నమాట. ఒక అన్నదమ్ముల అనుబంధానికి ఒక గొప్ప ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనకి రాముడు లక్ష్మణుడు గారు చూపించారు. అంటే అంత గొప్ప అనుబంధాలకి ఇంత గొప్ప వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది. అలాగే ఒక మెసేజ్, నీటి చుక్క ఇనుపై పడితే ఆవిరైపోతుంది, అదే నీటి చుక్క ఆల్చిప్పలో పడితే ముత్యం అవుతుంది. అలాగే విభీషణుడు కూడా, రావణాసురుడు ధర్మాన్ని పాటించినప్పుడు విభీషణుడు రావణుడు తోడుగానే ఉన్నాడు. ఎప్పుడైతే రావణుడు సీతను అపహరించి తప్పు చేశాడో అన్నను ఎదిరించాడు. అన్న అధర్మం వైపు నుంచి విడిచిపెట్టి ధర్మాత్ముడైన రాముడి వైపు వచ్చి ధర్మం వైపు తీసుకున్నాడు. అంటే తర్వాత విభీషణుడు లంకకి రాజు అయ్యాడు. మనం వాల్యూ అనేది మనం ఉండే ప్లేస్ బట్టి తెలుస్తుంది. అందుకే మనం ఎప్పుడు ఒక మంచి ప్లేస్లో ఉండాలి.
నమస్కారం. సైన్స్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ చాలా బాగా జరుగుతుంది. నేను చాలా
చాణక్య స్కూల్లో ఉపాధ్యాయునిగా పనిచేస్తున్నాను. 2 రోజులు చాలా ఉత్సాహంగా విద్యార్థులు పాల్గొని మా ఉత్సాహం మా ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్తో పాటు మా మేనేజ్మెంట్ యొక్క ఎంకరేజ్ ఉంటూ చాలా బాగా రామాయణం మహాభారతం మిల్లెట్స్తో మళ్ళీ ఒక సైన్స్ ఏ విధంగా సైన్స్ని ఇంకా యాక్టివ్ చేయాలనేది మా పిల్లలు చూపించారు. ఈ రోజుతో పాటు నిన్న కూడా చాలా బాగా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసి ఈరోజు కూడా చాలా ఆకట్టుకున్నారు. ఇది మా యొక్క సైన్స్ అండ్ ఆర్ట్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్.
Today we are going to conduct here the science and art exhibition for the second session. Yesterday it has been completed the first part of the science and science exhibition, and today it is the second part. Every item is very interesting and very good. The children has tried their level best and all of the projects were very good. Most interesting one is the organic healthy food, artificial intelligence, how it is using in our daily life, about the Ramayanam which the people are going to forget about it. So everything was explained by the children. It's in a fantastic way. Thank you.
కార్యక్రమం నడుస్తుంది. ఈ సైన్స్ ఫేర్ కార్యక్రమంలో మా పిల్లలు మా విద్యార్థులు చేసినటువంటి ఎగ్జిబిట్స్ చంద్రయాన్ ఎగ్జిబిట్స్ కానీ తర్వాత శాటిలైట్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ కానీ తర్వాత సోలార్ సిస్టమ్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ చాలా అద్భుతమైనటువంటి ప్రదర్శనలు మా పిల్లలు వాళ్ళ సొంత టాలెంట్తోనే సొంత ఆలోచనలతోనే పిల్లలు అద్భుతంగా ఈ ప్రదర్శనలు చేసిండ్రు.
To Art and Mela of Chanakya High School. In our school, from the yesterday onwards, we are conducting the Art and Science Mela, including from class nursery to 10th class. And each class we are given the chance for 5 exhibits. But children are participating very enthusiastically, and all the exhibits are very nice, especially the hydroelectricity stations and the Chandrayaan 3 model and the gold decoding system and blood grouping and all the arts and science, everything is very well fantastic done. This is they are taken the science to the next level.
It's all about organic farming. You may have heard that old is gold. Nowadays it is becoming true. We are habituated to some type of food items. That is good or bad, but eating bad food may cause damage to our health. So we have introduced these millets here. These are sprouts and these are food items with millets. These many food items. Eating millets is very good for health. Very good for health. Eating millets can strengthen our body and physical as well as mentally. We also introduced fertilizers like Ganajivamrutam, Bijamrutam, fermented milk, and these all are used with the help of cow dung, cow urine, and jaggery and lemmy soil. We can.
Ganajivamrutam and Bijamrutam is made of cow dung and cow urine and also black soil, and also it may help in increasing the soil fertility, and it may also remove the leaf seeds, several leaf insect eatings. And Ganajivamrutam is it helps in removing the soil leaf insects, and also it may help in growing the soil leaves. And also NSET is nothing but neem seed kernel extract. It may also use in it may spread for 15 days, and it also useful for growing soil microbial activities, and also it may remove seed leaves.
We might see our parents and grandparents being so strong because of eating this all millets of foods. That's why they are being so strong. If you want more information, you can scan here, and you can scan here.
This hologram is a word derived from Greek language called hologramma. Holo means whole, gramma means message. This is advanced form of the photography. This hologram is divided into 3 phases. Phase 1 recording, phase 2 reconstruction, phase 3 the process of hologramma. Recording is nothing but the holograms are recorded in darkened environment. This second process is reconstruction. The photographic plate is ready for the original light source. Next is process. The light rays are intersected at one point to form a 3D image, and the light rays are trapped and cannot come outside. Then it forms 3D image from the 2D image. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome our session. My name is Nishita. Our topic is Inco the tap, washing hands. That
and make sure that the vehicle is safe. Just have an observation now and then.
अरे ठीक राइट दी హలో వెల్కమ్ టు మెస్ ఏం లేదు నేను మాట్లాడతాను హలో దిస్ ఈజ్ సైన్స్ వేట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆర్ట్ అండ్ సైన్స్ మేళా ఆల్ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ వెల్కమ్ అండ్ వీ డిడ్ ఏ వెరీ అరే దూరం దూరం అండ్ వీ డిడ్ ఏ సైడ్ ఈడైనా పడుతుందా అవునా అరే పట్టుకోరా రియల్ స్పేస్ ఉన్న ఫీల్ రావాలా నా వీడియోస్ అది తీయండి రా మార్చ్ అని రా మార్చ్ బంద్ చేయండి రెడ్ లైట్ బంద్ చేయండి ఇంకో